Do you love math?
Yeah, I love math, but I just hate showing work.
Well, you gotta show your work, or else Mr. Ang's gonna stay up all night
worrying and being concerned about you.
That's why we love math.
Hey CVA Stats and Probability students, if you only ever do the bare minimum, don't expect anything but bare minimum results, says Defensive Player of the Year several times, J.J. Watt. And did you know in the grid view, if you click on this one where you're lost, it actually has all of the Google Slides for the whole year organized. And Mr. Frank, I think it's that time.
It's time for game plans.
Week number 14th, April 11th to April 15th, 2022. We're almost at the end of Chapter 4, Probability 4.7, the multiplication, counting principle, and permutations. Imagine if you went to prom this weekend. You have 4 pairs of shoes, you got 2 dresses, and you got 3 purses. What's the combinations of outfits you can have? Students will be able to use the multiplication counting principle to determine the number of ways to complete a process involving several steps on their guided notes. Basically, it's permutations and combinations. This is our agenda on this Week at a Glance video. Game plans, our news, school, and room 902, Week at a Glance number 14, and our warm-up number 14. Whoa guys, 81% of the school year is finished. We only have 18% left, 33 days left and counting. If you want anything to count for the 4th quarter progress reports, turn it in by April 22nd, 8 a.m. with late payment. If you wanted to count, something like sports or something like that. 508 subscribers. Remember discussions, you have 7 days from when I assign it, and you have 24 hours to do those reflections. Traditional students, go ahead and check how many passion score you have, and do so because you actually might be done for the whole semester. Do that same thing for Khan Academy. You might as well just get ahead for 300 minutes for the whole school year. Set. Saturday Academy, spread the math love. Details here. May 7th is the next one in a couple of weeks. Dun. Guys, they send me an email every Friday, not with the list of students, but saying, hey, Mr. Ng, don't forget to submit your academic interventions. Essential question we talked about. See? Use? How about use? Use the multiplication rule. Alright, this week, if you guys saw my announcement on eCadence, I postponed the quiz. The quiz will open today, Monday, the 11th at 10:30. And you'll have a week to do that, and therefore I postponed your work that was due. You should be working on lesson 4.7 tomorrow, homework 4.7. Thursday we're going to have class, and then Friday we're going to do lesson 4.8. Next week, guys, I'm going to a conference the whole week. What does that mean for you? For all students, traditional and Google certificate, there will be no discussion/reflections. You'll be happy about that. All you have to do is watch the Week at a Glance 15 video. You're going to fill out the special 15.4 absent assignment and turn it in on eCadence. It'll be due at the end of the week. So hopefully you're watching on a Monday and you'll turn it on the 22nd. Traditional students, what are you working on? Homework 4.8 on Monday, and then I'll have this link live for Chapter 4 test review, and you can also work on Khan Academy, Thrively, and late work. Again, no class on Thursday the 21st. Red light, yellow light, green light. Hey, and I added another color. Red tells you it's late, it's super small. You can use the zoom in function. Worksheet and New Year's goal was due. The one you should be working on now is called 14.4. I moved it into that folder, week 14 folder. The absent assignment next week, the new packet coming up, and if you haven't done your Culture of Care sign up, go ahead and do that. Google certificate students, you have to do the New Year's goals worksheet and the absent assignment coming up. You should be finishing course 7 this coming month. You might as well get ahead and try to finish 8 by the end of the month. That'll make you look really good. So we can go to graduation May 19th. Google certificate graduation May 19th. I need a grade course number 6 learning logs. And I think that's all I have for you guys. Imagine if you did the opposite. You gave the maximum amount of effort and you should get the maximum amount of results. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
1, 2, tap taps on your shoe. 1, 2, apples. And I'm counting with you.